Launching a mobile clinic in Canada can feel overwhelming. Follow these 5 steps to avoid the common pitfalls often found when launching a mobile clinic. Hello, my name is Russ Evans from MoveMobility. Starting a mobile medical clinic in Canada sounds like a great idea. However, there is a lot to take on. Here are some of the most common questions that we hear. How can I secure funding without draining my savings? What vehicle will handle both patient needs and the unpredictable Canadian weather? Or how to even begin navigating permits, licenses, and regulations? We know that these challenges can feel overwhelming and unsure of what to do next, but here's the good news. You don't have to do it alone. At MoveMobility, we've helped organizations like Quest Community Health turn these obstacles into opportunities. In this video, I'll share 5 important steps to help you move past these roadblocks and help your mobile clinic succeed. Step number 1, start with a solid business plan. This is the foundation that you need to begin the success of your mobile clinic. Without having a clear business plan, many things fall through the cracks. So who are we going to serve? Where's our funding going to come from? What's going to happen to clients who we can't serve or that we can see but we can't do all the necessary things? Where do we refer them to? What jurisdictions are we going to be going into? Understanding and researching the different types of clients you're going to serve and where they could be getting help but aren't getting help, and understanding those barriers as to why will help you develop the best medical clinic to serve the real needs in the community. Step number 2 is to choose the right mobile clinic manufacturer. Take your time on this and make sure you understand all the options that there are available to you. There are many risks that come with not choosing the right mobile medical clinic manufacturer. Something as simple as having the certification from the manufacturer of the chassis to perform the customization to it. We often hear stories when it's an uncertified manufacturer of vehicles that are sitting in unusable state, and this can be avoided just by ensuring that your manufacturer has adequate certifications to work with the manufacturer of vehicles. A manufacturer supports a clinic's success by really understanding today's needs and also thinking about needs that are 5 to 10 years in the future. Having a simple design that can adapt easily is incredibly important. It's also very important to have an easy to service plan so that regular maintenance happens, it's not expensive to do, and therefore the longevity of the unit will be increased 10 times. Step number 3 is to understand the different licenses and permits that are required to operate a mobile medical clinic in your jurisdiction. Mobile medicine is relatively new to a lot of jurisdictions, and the jurisdictions themselves that are issuing the permits and licenses may not even have a complete understanding of exactly what's required. Therefore, it's incredibly important to understand and do the research on your own side so that you know exactly what happens in some of the jurisdictions that maybe are more used to having mobile medical units, so that you can ask appropriate questions to your permit holders. Step number 4 is to build strong community partnerships. Relationships with people like law enforcement, emergency medical response, and other community care centers are critical in getting help for the whole person. So another great example for local partnerships is a local workplace. Think about showing up outside those workplaces and offering something as simple as flu vaccines. Forming those partnerships are absolutely crucial. It also gets your name out there in front of a lot of people who may not necessarily have come to the clinic before. The best way to connect with local nonprofits, government officials, and corporate sponsors is to just show off. Invite them out, show them what you're doing. People are wowed, you get a lot of buy-in and a lot of support from them. Step number 5 is to provide culturally competent care in the community that you're serving. Understanding the significance of the different cultures and how they view and receive healthcare is incredibly important to the success of your clinic. Providing resources and training to your staff around the different types of cultures that you're serving in the community is very, very beneficial. There's many good resources online, but one of the most effective ways is to invite somebody in that has gone through the care and can speak about different stories of how they were cared for and the different successes and failures of those programs. Reaching out to other clinics that have had successes that are a bit further away will also help you understand the different types of resources that are needed and training materials for your staff. Starting a mobile clinic can feel overwhelming at first, but with the right plan and expert guidance, these obstacles can become stepping stones for success. So let's take the first step and reach out to our team by clicking on the link below. Start a discussion to build a mobile medical clinic to save the lives of Canadians. And of course, if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help.